Here at DIA, going to Salt Lake City tonight. That's my hand in the way. Need to check a bag because I'm going to Florida right after this gig and need a bunch of clothes for it, so we'll go check in. Same right there, 4 minutes for TSA pre to get through. That's the thing, normally at this time of day the flights aren't so bad. Okay, here we are. This is where it gets complicated. So I can't go this way. I have to go down all this way to get over there to go that way. I'm gonna try something different. They say this is TSA pre and I don't see any line here, so I'm gonna try for it. Geez, even if you had to go through regular security, there's like no line. That's clear over here. No, nothing over there, and this is TSA pre. All right, but this is airline crew members. So that's about as quick as you can get through security. There's literally no wait. I ordered some quick hamburger from McDonald's. I don't know what's on the other side. It looks like some departures. Yeah, this is us. Salt Lake City. That's my flight, B-19, so we're going. So I'm gonna go grab my hamburger. This airport's super crowded. No wait for security, but man, everywhere else, tons of people. I was checking that one out. Anyways, now we wait. That pilot checking the plane, that's our plane. So it's the plane on the right. Hello. Thank you. Here we go. He's nice and making. What are we sitting on this flight? 7F.
Behind, please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on the aircraft. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, an oxygen mask.
fine, thank you. Look at that, they're just looking out for us. 10,000 steps. Bless their hearts. If you've watched any of my other videos, come to Salt Lake, leaving Salt Lake, very well familiar with this portion. So Fly United, you have to go under this. So this is the main part of the airport. And what they're saying in 2024 we'll have some sort of way to take a tram or something.
When you're ready to go outside, then let me know what television you're at. The Salt Lake City Airport is smooth playing.
Well, finally got it. Took a while. Feels like I'm in Denver if it takes a long time. I always have the worst luck with them. This is what it kind of looks like to wait for your vehicle. Just a bunch of people slowly moving. Alright, just going to show you my hotel a little bit. So this is like the main area or something. Where you check in is down there, lower level, but I'm on the 4th floor. This is like a bunch of rooms on this side, right? So you go, oh yeah, all the way down. So I just literally came and I opened this and then I put my bag there. So let me try to figure out where the lights are. Here we go. See the bathroom. It's a little wide angle for you. It's pretty nice. It's updated, that's for sure. All right. King size bed, looks like. I don't expect this to be any view because it's, as you can see, it's 9:45. But let's try. So what we can see, yeah, nothing. Also, I think it's a little better. The mountains are like right there. You might be able to see a little of the, where's my finger? Right up there. That's the top of the mountain. So in the morning, that should be really beautiful. Yeah, so you know what? I think I will show you a little bit of this place I'm working tomorrow. So this won't be the end like I would normally make it. So yeah, just keep hanging on here. We'll see. I'll show you where I'm working and why I'm in Salt Lake City. It's a venue that was built for the Olympics back in 2002. That's all I'll tell you right now. So here we go. Let's go. Okay, told you I'd show you my view. So I knew there was mountains there. I didn't know they were straight out in front of me though, but yeah, it's just beautiful here. Salt Lake City is so close to the mountains and always gorgeous. Obviously you see there's a lot of snow because they got a lot of snow just a week ago here. All right, now I'm gonna go to where I'm working all day. So this is where I've been working. I've waited till the last day to do this and I totally forgot about this video, so I'm so sorry. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. And if you want to see more videos like it in the future, be sure to hit like and subscribe to see more videos like it in the future. Thanks again, and as always, take flight.